Welcome to Aloha Maids. Today, we're thrilled to share some heartfelt reviews from our amazing customers. At Aloha Maids, we're dedicated to providing exceptional cleaning services that truly embody the spirit of aloha. Whether it's a deep clean for a special event or regular maintenance, we aim to exceed expectations and create a positive experience for every home we serve. Let's hear from Anna Carlos, who shares a Google review. This is her actual review. This was my first time having a housekeeper clean my home. They arrived early, asked a few questions about focus areas, and got to work right away. Both cleaners were friendly and polite. I work nights and had just gotten home, so I don't remember the gentleman's name, but the lady was Lily. The house looks incredibly fresh and clean, and they completed everything in a timely manner. I'm definitely going to use their services again. Thank you so much. Next, Kelly Flynn says, "Thank you to Christy for sending the amazing Shayla and Veronica to my apartment today. It is looking better than ever, and I will definitely be requesting them again in the future. Thanks, team, for all your hard work." Finally, Douglas Sullivan shares, "I booked a service with Aloha Maids 2 days prior to my cleaning. Everything went smoothly. The cleaner Sandra did a great job, and I was consistently updated by Christy throughout the whole process. Great service. I'll be booking with them again." These are just a few of the thousands of reviews for the only house cleaning agency with Aloha spirit. If you want to experience this exceptional service, call 1-888-99-ALOHA or visit alohamaids.com. Let Aloha Maids bring the spirit of aloha to your home.